The history of Afghanistan is long and complex, shaped by its geography, various empire, invasions, and conflicts. Here is a brief overview of some of the key events and periods. Ancient times, Afghanistan has a rich history dating back to the Neolithic era. It was an important crossroads between Asia, the Middle East, and Europe, and was part of the Silk Road trade route. The region was also home to several powerful empires, including the Achaemenid Empire, the Mauryan Empire, and the Kushan Empire. Islamic conquest. In the 7th century, Arab armies conquered Afghanistan, spreading Islam throughout the region. Afghanistan became an important center of Islamic culture and scholarship. Mongol invasions. In the 13th century, the Mongol Empire invaded and conquered Afghanistan, bringing destruction and devastation to the region. Timurid Empire. In the 14th and 15th centuries, the Timurid Empire, led by the famous ruler Timur, emerged in Afghanistan and became a major cultural and intellectual center. Mughal Empire. In the 16th century, the Mughal Empire, based in India, conquered Afghanistan and ruled the region for several centuries. Modern era. In the 19th century, Afghanistan became the focus of a great game between the British and Russian Empire, as both powers sought to control the region. In 1919, Afghanistan gained independence from Britain. Soviet invasion. In 1979, the Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan, triggering a long and brutal conflict that lasted for over a decade. The war devastated the country and resulted in the rise of the Taliban, an Islamic extremist group. Taliban rule. From 1996 to 2001, the Taliban ruled Afghanistan, imposing a harsh form of Islamic law and providing a safe haven for terrorists, including Al-Qaeda. US-led war. In 2001, the United States and its allies invaded Afghanistan in response to the 9/11 attacks. The war has continued for over 2 decades, and although the Taliban were initially ousted from power, they have regained control in recent years. Today, Afghanistan is facing a humanitarian crisis, with widespread violence, poverty, and instability.